So someone asked me the other day, hey Frank, I know you do home tours, but do you do apartment tours as well? As a matter of fact, I do. So let's go ahead and switch it up and check it out. All right guys, so we're out here in front of Southline Apartments, which is one of the 3 apartment buildings here on the Pearl property. Now the price here starts at about $18.50 for a 1-bedroom and going up depending on if you want 1 or 2 bedrooms. So let's go ahead and go inside and take a look. All right everyone, as I mentioned, we're here at the Southline Apartments, which actually opened not long ago in 2019 and is about a 223 unit complex. Inside Southline, we're in their culinary cafe and lounge area, and as you can see, this space is huge. Now, what Southline did here is such a great idea to provide this type of amenity for the residents. It was definitely well thought out. This cafe and lounge area is actually divided up by this large entertainment center over here on the right that has TVs on either side. This area would be great whether you just wanted to have a change of scenery from your apartment, get some work done on your computer, or just entertain some friends. Now, Southline is located north of downtown San Antonio at the Pearl, which is a popular spot amongst tourists and locals. Now, from the lounge area, the next room that we're stepping into is going to be their library. This is another great room if you're working remotely and just want to get some work done in a quiet space. Next up, we are looking at one of their 2 fitness centers located here on the property. They have the free weights here on the left-hand side, followed by a couple strength machines, as you can see. And here straight ahead on the opposite side, you have the cardio machines. On my left, they have this giant all-purpose cage where you can pretty much do any exercise. Of course, they have that full-length mirrors here to make sure you have that proper form. And what's cool about this fitness center is that you'll have a good view of the outdoors while you're working out. As I mentioned earlier, this is one of 2 of their fitness centers, so they do have another one located right above this one on a separate floor, which is just a little smaller. Stepping outside, we are looking at their outdoor entertainment lawn area. This big grassy area is actually AstroTurf, so not a lot of maintenance needed here. They currently have cornhole set up, but feel free to bring some of your own lawn games if you'd like. Another really cool benefit of living here at Southline is the fact that the residents have private access to the San Antonio Riverwalk. The access is actually located right around the corner here, but we're going to be looking at the view of the Riverwalk you have from this level. So the river actually extends from here all the way past the center of downtown San Antonio. So if you're looking to go on a nice long run or walk, this is definitely the place with a nice scenery to do it. As you can see right under Interstate 35, there is a cool art installation of some fish setup that actually light up at night. So it's a nice added touch if you're hanging out here in the evening. So we're going to take a look at this model, which is 1,228 square feet. And has 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and is currently renting for $3,339. We'll go ahead and pick it back up after the tour, and I hope you enjoy. right, guys, so that was a tour of the Southline apartments here at the Pearl. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to see any more content like this, feel free to leave a comment down below. I hope you have a good one, and I'll see you in the next video.